spot in the LCS next year.
Kill this guy, kill
Nice!
him.
Nice, he said! Flag. Nice! Endgame. Nice! Nice, boys!
Gamers 2 have taken the first game in the series off of SK.
Get wrong.
Nice!
Keep going.
Nice.
Stop.
Nice!
Get him on.
Nice! Get him!
And they demolish SK Gaming. Welcome to the League of Legends Championship Series.
It's the truth. And I've had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before.
Last time we didn't take our shoes off, that's why we lost, right?
Yeah.
Damn, now we're gonna carry.
Last time we didn't what?
We didn't put our shoes away.
That was holding us back.
That was it.
If only we knew, man.
Yeah, I like the smell of feet while I'm playing. I love it. Don't you?
Go. Careful, Malphite ulti here.
No, he has no.
I got gangplank. I'm on Shiver. Yeah, kill him. Nice, good job, guys. Good shit.
But Dan, picking up this round, can he make it work? The curveball, you can see Eddie's face, doesn't know what to make of it. And goes to Pepper, there's a good ultimate from Brom coming in, but Betsy comes in from the middle lane and annihilates his target with his ultimate. Here we go! Oh. And that was the play that had to make something happen. Cedric drops low, Mountain as well. The bot lane is down. Dan also trying to disengage Jist. He gets pulled back into Gambit. Gambit come in and reclaim the LCS spot in the 2016 Spring Split.